All right, so gluconeogenesis. As the name indicates, neo is like making new. Glucose is the synthesis of a new molecule of glucose. So before I start, I want to just remind you, the best way to approach each pathway is to say, what is this for? Why do we need gluconeogenesis? If you can't answer that, then whatever details you learn won't be meaningful. You want to be able to answer it by saying, we need to make glucose when we are fasting, because certain tissues and cells depend on it, in some cases almost entirely, on glucose in the bloodstream for their energy supply or energy needs. So that's the first important thing, to really get a big a picture for why we need gluconeogenesis. Second important thing I'm going to remind you of is where it takes place, meaning what tissues and what part of the cell. So that's a two-part question. So I'm going to say to you, gluconeogenesis takes place in two tissues only, liver and kidney, and the liver being the most important of the two. Second part of where is that it takes place both in the cytoplasm and mitochondria. So you have enzymes in both compartments. So the reason we want to make new glucose to resupply the bloodstream, remember, this is a glucose producing as opposed to glycolysis being a glucose consuming. Very important. Appreciate the difference. This is a pathway that will produce, make glucose. Glycolysis consumes glucose. So again, gluconeogenesis is therefore most likely to occur when you are in a fasting state.